Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up keyword match types for Google Ads growth, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the campaign you wish to optimize. Click on the Keywords tab in the left-hand menu. Select the ad group that contains the keywords you want to adjust. You will see your current keywords listed on the page. To add a new keyword, click the plus sign icon. Enter the keyword you want to include into the text box. Next, choose the appropriate match type for your keyword. There are 4 match types to consider: broad, phrase, exact, and negative. Broad match allows your ad to show for variations of your keyword. This match type can increase your reach but may attract irrelevant traffic. Phrase match requires users to search for your keyword phrase in order. This option provides more control than broad match without limiting reach too much. Exact match will only trigger your ad if the exact keyword is searched. This option has the highest precision but the lowest reach. Negative match is used to exclude specific terms from triggering your ad. Adding negative keywords can help improve your click-through rate. After selecting the desired match type, click Save. Repeat these steps for any additional keywords you want to add or adjust. Review your keyword strategy regularly to improve performance. Use the search terms report to identify which keywords are performing well. Adjust your match types accordingly based on this data. Consider running tests with different match types to find the best fit. Monitor your campaign performance over time to ensure optimal growth. Stay informed about changes in Google Ads features that may impact keyword management. Implementing the right keyword match types is crucial for campaign success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.